Mother, I don't wanna take my medicine. 24 years in the gutter again. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Everybody's acting like they're all alright. I can barely get myself to sleep at night. I'm sick of it. Yeah, I'm sick of it. Yeah, they said the tax man, I lost my job and you got hooked on oxycodone. They shut the lights off, they took the car in, I bought a sawed-off shotgun. Yeah, they said the tax man, I lost my job and you got hooked on oxycodone. They shut the lights off, they took the car in, I bought a sawed-off shotgun. Rather be crazy than to take these pills. I'm sick of being okay against my will. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Ain't a thing in this world that I'm gonna miss. It's all fake smiles and leather jackets. We're full of it. Yeah, we're full of shit.